Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Torque Pro EV Trouble Code Reports, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the Torque Pro app installed on your Android device. Open the Torque Pro app on your smartphone. Connect your OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Turn on your vehicle's ignition without starting the engine. Navigate to the main screen of the Torque Pro app. Look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. Select General Settings from the menu options. Scroll down to find OBD2 compatibility and confirm your vehicle is supported. Go back to the main screen and tap on Real-Time Information. Now, locate the Diagnostic Trouble Codes option and select it. Your app will start scanning for any trouble codes present in the vehicle. Wait for the scan to complete and review the list of trouble codes displayed. Tap on any trouble code for a detailed description and possible causes. To save the trouble code report, return to the main menu. Select the Preferences option under Settings. Look for Export or Shared Data within the Preferences menu. Choose the format you would like to export your report in. Select your preferred method of saving or sharing the report, such as email or cloud storage. Follow the prompts to complete the export process. Once the report is saved, you can access it anytime for review. This will help you diagnose any issues and track repairs effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.